Alright, so what are we doing today?
Well, right now, we're taking a break on sailing, and I'm on a search and rescue mission for one of our orange cushions up front. Apparently it flew off. And so right now I'm trying to just search around the banks of Tampa Bay as far as I can go. Just check and see if it's maybe washed up somewhere. We're a mile away right now with this drone.
Dang. Good catch.
Well, I guess we're giving up on the orange cushion mission. You are such a backseat driver when it comes to this boat.
Well, because you ran aground.
I mean, I was just getting it out of the way with Jack on the boat so we would know how to handle that.
Right, because there's two types, right?
So you're welcome for that.
Those that ran aground, those that weren't.
Exactly. I would rather do it with him on the boat than without him on the boat.
Right.
Because again, I'm like, I don't know what to do.
Jack wasn't on the boat when we ran aground.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Just dive off into the water. Chris, take care of it.
Right,
I'm gonna sit out here. You see the boat?
No. Where's the boat?
You got this.
I'm their problem. They're not my problem.
Bob.
Hey.
Overboard. Hold on, Bob.
Basically just going kind of a comfortable distance away on a beam reach, sort of in line with the waves.
Hold on, Bob. The wind's kind of light right now. We're getting stuck in iron. Be right there.
And then once I'm happy with where I'm going, I'm going to attack. I'm going to attack real aggressive. Good distance here. I'm coming over. I'm still farther off. That way I don't get stuck in there.
Bob, quit talking smack, man, or we'll throw you in again.
John's Pass, sailing vessel Zookeeper, asking you to kindly open the bridge.
at neutral.
Tied them.
It has been great coming out here and doing this. I have learned tons of stuff from Jack, from watching you guys. And
Even 8 knots, heck, it's still slow and steady.
yeah,
I mean, it feels like you're cooking. But I just feel so much more confident. Like when I walk on this boat, I don't feel intimidated or like I don't belong here. And I just feel like this is my home. And so it's just a good feeling to feel confident in her. And she's held up well this week. And this was another test, like, you know, kind of a shakedown to see how she did and how she performed. And it was phenomenal. Like,
Yeah.
I'm so
Jack did
happy.
say that on the way when we were out there. He said, I think they got a good boat. He said sometimes these old charter boats get more out. He said it's a good boat. He said they'll do good with that one. So
Yeah.
I was like, cool.
Something about just the air, just pushing this thing or lifting it.
Yeah.
You know, whatever it is, I mean, it's just so amazing.
But some people don't believe in a God. You know?
Seeing
It's just phenomenal.
Yeah.
seeing it like on attack, seeing your main, the air transfer over to the other side, and then letting that jib out.
I encourage my kids to go out and try different things and explore and have
And
fun.
to see
so.
the world and just to not, it's so important to know that how our culture is in America is not like that everywhere.
Right.
And just to help keep them centered on what's important.
Yes.
And doing this all day is not what's important.
Yes.
And just having real relationships.
Right.
And obviously you can do that in the States, and I know there's parents that are doing that and doing it well, but we're just being obedient to what God has told us to. And that was kind of one of my fears that I prayed about. And so we had a missionary family come in that was from our state of Arkansas and at our church, and they felt like they were called to Rome, and so they'd been in Rome for a couple years, and then came back and talked to us and to the church, and had kids, and they were fine. And it was just like when that family came on stage, which is the Canards, and had their kids, and their kids were okay. Like had this big fear that I was going to mess up my daughters, but they were well rounded and they were okay. And it was just like it was just this weight lifted. It was like we could do this. Like maybe that's why I've always been okay with not being attached. Maybe like God has always been shaping me for this, and it's just this time that I'm seeing that this is where those breadcrumbs are finally kind of like, so.
When it all comes together, we're going to look back one day and go, oh, I get it now.
Yeah.
You know? Highs and lows for you guys this week?
We're right ahead.
So when we went to the marina the one time to get gas, like the one that works at the gas station that like takes your lines was not friendly, and like he was just, there was no need for that. And so that was probably my low, and then my high was when we sailed from Cape Coral to
Tampa.
basically like
All the
Manatee
way.
River. Like
Yeah.
we
We
sailed
went all the
day,
way.
but
Yeah.
it was like we had waves and water and
Yeah.
wind. It was just amazing. Like it was just awesome. So that was a high point. And just to see like 4 people, like obviously we knew each other, but like just to come together and work. And I just think that that's a beautiful picture as well, just because sometimes that can be kind of not fitting, right? But I think that, at least in my opinion, like I think that everything went well this week. You have very different people and walks of life, and it's just so cool when you have that.
As young as Jack is, I'm
Yes.
that much older. So, you know.
It was just neat. Like I love that. Like I love when you have like different walks of life that are completely opposite ends of the spectrum, and like it just comes together and it works. And I just love that. It makes my heart happy. What about you, Grandpa?
The high would definitely be Cape Coral and Manatee River. Yeah, that was awesome. Making coffee, learning how to make coffee on a boat in a jug. The low point, I would say, I mean, I was kind of dragging a little bit this morning, but I mean, yeah, that guy was a little rude or whatever, but me, I kind of let
You
that.
get to, you're good at that.
It's just low point. Nah. You know, I don't really have much of a low point this week. If I had to pick something, yeah, sure, let's say that guy, or I would say the second night when we slept in the
So hot 'cause we had been-
starboard cabin, because we had just turned the engines off and the engine bays were still warm and the mattresses are right on top of that, so those rooms are a little. And so even though we had the AC on for just a little bit,
We were trying to like be hard and not like turn the air on much.
we don't need that.
Towards the end of the week, we were like, let's
Turn
run
it
that
on.
generator.
So I would probably put that down for my low. Yeah. Oh,
I know.
hold on. The low point of Jamie's week.
Was when I lost my cushion.
There it is. Enno and I did a search and rescue mission for it with the drone.
The drone.
Almost lost the drone right there at the boat.
Footage of that gator you found on the drone.
Oh,
that
yeah.
was cool.
That was really neat too. Yeah.
That was cool.
Drone
That was a good find.
I actually threw a couple pieces of bread in the water earlier to see if fish would eat them. Nothing.
Dang, they're not trying to
Nothing.
Why not?
I gotta find out what this fish eat down here, so I can end up catching some of them. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet,
Either one of
It's-
ours.
either one, yes, definitely.
Discipleship, make memories travel more.
Yeah. Discipleship, make memories travel more. Subscribe. And,
All right.
You did such a
That's it.
fine job.
one of
That's all, folks.
You did a good
Beep-a-dee-ba-dee.
job.
Do it at the same time. What you did today.